How to log into Snapchat Web without phone. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. Open any of the web browser and search for Snapchat Web Login. Now open this website Snapchat Now on the web. Now here you have to enter your Snapchat account's username or email to log in. And click on Next. Type in the password and click on Next. Now to log in, to verify it's you, you have to open the Snapchat app on your phone and confirm you are trying to access Snapchat for web. As in this video, I'm gonna show you how to log into Snapchat web without phone. What you need to do is open a new tab and search for BlueStacks. Tap on this very first link, BlueStacks, open it. Now tap on the option of download and download this BlueStacks, and after that you will need to download the Snapchat app from where you can easily log into your Snapchat account without phone verification. This is how you can easily log into Snapchat web without phone. This was it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.